In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change title in Bloxfruit 2nd C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various different titles available in Bloxfruits. To change between the titles that show up next to your name when you talk and chat and interact with others, you will have to go to a specific location in the 2nd C or the 3rd C. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the 2nd C location, but you can also go over to the 3rd C. So to change your title, you will have to go to the room underneath the cafe. So in the cafe, you will see this chest. Just enter the cafe, open this chest, and then you will find a little hole that you can fall into. Go down this hole and you will find this NPC, the titles specialist. As long as you claim the chest and you go over to the hole underneath, you will be able to go down into the room under the cafe and talk to the titles specialist. From this point onwards, it should be extremely simple. You will see this menu where you can see all of the titles that you have unlocked, and you will be able to choose between equipping or unequipping them accordingly. You can see the requirements necessary for most titles. You can see the color that is going to be displayed next to the title and next to your name, and you can go ahead and switch between them. And like I said before, this NPC is also available in the 3rd C. So to find him in the 3rd C, go over to the mansion, and from the entrance of the mansion, turn right. You will see the trading tables, walk further into the mansion, and the titles specialist will be on the right. And once again, he is going to function the exact same way as the other NPC in the cafe. So you can choose whichever one you prefer and whichever one you are closer to. Either go over to the cafe, claim the chest, and go over to the hole underneath to go into the room under that cafe, or just go over to the mansion, go in there, turn right, and keep going forward until you find the title specialist on the right. I hope I was able to help you on how to change title in Bloxfruit 2nd C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.